So I was finally able to get out to the garden and clean up the fall leaves that were here. Raked everything up. I'm gonna start. Oh, this looks so sad. No. Our herbs kind of made it. Basil's looking sad. I gotta plant some more. Sage looks good. I bought more green onions to plant. Parsley looks great, hardy. That looks really good. Yeah, I'm really doing a lot of work. Got a bunch of bulbs here. Oh, my tomatoes are finally seeing sun. I had kept them away inside while we had the freeze. They should be good now. They should be good. What else did I do? I just gathered some things together in pots that were kind of spread out all over the place. Took the chairs out of here, raked it just so it looks a lot neater. So yeah, I'm starting to do a lot of work. Emptied 2 bags of, filled 2 bags of foliage, but it's a start. You know, I repotted some things too. Let me take you over here. Don't mind the mess. It's still Christmas stuff taken care of. So I redid this. And it looks so much better. Worked on that. Put the plants back here because we had them all inside. I'm trying to fix this up again. Getting through the holidays. Still got deer out. Valentine's Day. I had to get a new hose because my hose broke. Again, I got one of those stretchy ones and they keep breaking, so I just got the heavy duty one. Ooh, I found this cool rock today. And I kept it. That's really neat. I almost threw it into the lake, but I don't know about this. I mean, it's still green and it has these really pretty flowers, but it hasn't bloomed in like 2 years. I keep trying to save it. I think this I want to do next. Oh, let's see. This poor thing got mangled again. Ugh, I can't keep this garden nice for the life of me, man. Squirrels, the wind. Looks like that died. I'll have to clip that off. It's still about 50, 60 maybe right now. It's starting to cool off. I don't know, I think it's around 3. Haven't seen the gator guy over there today. But he comes like later in the day. I don't know if they're gonna be able to catch him. Yeah, I was talking on my channel in the other video. People were like, don't go near the shore. I'm like, okay. This is where we get on the little paddle boat and we just in a kayak and we just push it right in there. Sometimes I get in the water. Some people fish from the shore. The only time that you're gonna run into a problem is, first of all, gators mainly feed at night. And early morning I've seen, but it has to be, the conditions have to be just right and they have to be really hungry. And there's a lot of ducks around. So they go after small, frail things. Oh, I see a bunch of ducks coming. They go after small dogs, people who look weak. Unfortunately, yes, the reason I say that is because it was very sad. An elderly lady somewhere in Florida, I remember hearing, got pulled into the water from the shore by a gator. But for the most part, they stay away from us. You know, they are on the island over there. Mostly that's where we see them. And there's probably one every 6 months that we catch a glimpse of. Man, there is a lot of these little clamshells everywhere. Mom was saying she wanted to start keeping them and try to make something with them. I'm like, oh boy, here we go. But yeah, this is... I know who's coming. Do you guys see him? Where is he? Let me see if I can zoom in. I can't zoom in. That is Little Duck. And if you guys don't know who Little Duck is,